Today, we're diving into some fresh updates concerning Ripple and the SEC, along with a few interesting remarks that have just surfaced. As always, if you're into discussions about Ripple and XRP, you know exactly what to do. Hey guys, welcome back to Whiteboard Crypto Update. In today's video, we will talk about XRP future. So be sure to stay focused as you surely don't want to miss out on this. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Please remember, this is not a financial advice video. This news comes from Vladimir, a close friend of the show. We've talked about her before, particularly how she's always quick to bring us the latest updates. Recently, she shared something new. She reached out to the SEC for a comment on the Ripple ruling, and the spokesperson responded with an official statement. Here's what they had to say. The court granted the SEC's motion for remedies, including an injunction preventing Ripple from committing further securities law violations. Additionally, the court imposed significant civil monetary penalties, which amount to more than 12 times the figure Ripple suggested as appropriate. The court concluded that Ripple's actions demonstrated a willingness to push legal boundaries, indicating a likelihood that they might cross the line again in the future. This is the SEC's stance, making it clear that they consider the violation of Section 5 to be a serious offense. The SEC emphasized that, as courts have repeatedly affirmed, securities laws apply to firms offering and selling investment contracts, regardless of the technology or labels they use. This statement strongly suggests that the SEC is satisfied with the outcome of the court's decision and the penalties imposed on Ripple. Based on what we've heard from Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinhouse, it seems like the SEC might not pursue an appeal. They appear to be content with the court's findings and the penalties that have been decided. Vladimir went on to note that both Ripple and the SEC seem to believe they came out on top. Ripple is pleased because the fine ended up being 3/4 less than what the SEC initially sought. Meanwhile, the SEC is satisfied because Ripple must pay 12 times the amount they initially proposed. The judge's agreement that Ripple had violated securities law is another point in the SEC's favor. Given all of this, it seems unlikely that either side will appeal the ruling. Vladimir herself doesn't foresee an appeal of the remedies ruling from either side, although she does think it's more plausible that the SEC might appeal the July 2023 ruling now that a final judgment has been reached. However, she also pointed out that she's not a lawyer. It's worth mentioning that other legal experts have weighed in as well. For example, Fred Ripple, who has been mentioned on this show before, commented on the language used by both sides. As a lawyer, he noted that the wording typically reflects the sentiments of parties that are satisfied with the ruling and do not wish to appeal. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on XRP? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video, so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news. Until the next video comes out, you can watch our other videos about XRP or other cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.